Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Roblox Studio on mobile. Now for this, what we want to do is just close out of the Roblox application and we're going to open up Safari here. So you just want to go to roblox.com and here you want to log in with your account and we're going to select continue in browser. Now once we have clicked on continue in browser, it's going to load up a new page like this, and here what we have to do is we have to click on create. Once we have clicked on create, this is going to take us to the Roblox Studio app in a way. So what we want to do is just click on this button right here. Just click on it, the one that I'm highlighting right in the center underneath the link. So I'm just going to click on it and scroll down this so you don't see my contacts. Okay, so I just clicked on this button, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click on add to home screen. So as you can see, it has the Roblox Studio icon, and we're just gonna call this Roblox Studio. So just give me a second here, Roblox Studio. Okay, and if I click on add here, as you can see, it shows up on my phone. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.